Well, hello, so let's do a little bit of an update on my belly. Okay, so I just finished working out and it's about 10-11 o'clock now after breakfast, after workout. So this is how it is look right now. Okay, now I'm like totally relaxed. Okay, totally relaxed. Looks like this right now. My high-waisted yoga pants hold everything in place. It looks kind of good, and I have a curvy bum. I like it, working on that butt. So yeah, so let's see if I am engaging my core. Okay, so it looks like this. Let's go a little closer. Looks like this. If I'm completely engaged and have good posture, of course, the front looks like this. And relax. Okay, relax, looks like this. Still has a little bit of, like, you see this here. So it's like the connective tissues here is still weakened. So it's like, it's not able to hold everything in place when I'm totally relaxed. But when I'm engaged, my core is quite strong. I know that. So it looks like that. So in terms of stretch marks, let's see. Yeah, in terms of stretch marks, it's pretty good now, I would say. Now let me lift a little bit down here. It looks like this. Of course, there's still a lot of loose skin here. Stretch marks, it's a lot better than when I started my regimen in July, August. So it's a lot less visible. But when I am like engaged, of course you see these loose skin coming down, right? But the marks wise, like the stretch marks wise, it's a lot better. Let me see if I can flip my camera around. Okay, sorry. Okay, so it looks like this, close up. This is when I am engaged. You can still see these white tips here. There's no way I can get rid of it. These here, it was a lot more worse before. It was like wrinkly. It was like this. It was so bad. But now it's not bad. I've been dry brushing it. I've been taking my collagen and oiling it every single day. So this looks like this right now. I'm pretty impressed. And then when I'm relaxed, it's better because I'm filling my tummy with lots of I'm filling my tummy with the muscles and fat. Yeah, so there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the stretch mark regimens, and also I'm actively working on the core and with my total body workout. So